Good morning, you guys. I just wanted to say hi and just tell you a little bit. I'm in the middle of grading your presentations, and they're really good. So I think most of you are gonna have a really nice score on those. And then your other the School G portion, it looks like most of you did really well there too. And I can tell you that if you didn't do as well, like there's a few people maybe that got a 10 or 11, once you add the 40 points from the presentation in, you're still going to end up with a pretty nice grade. So at this point, we're not offering retakes on the, you know, on either part. It's kind of part of the distance learning part too, that we're just not kind of operating with retakes. So, um, I think you guys are going to be fine, and most of you are going to end up, I think all of you are going to end up with really nice grades. So, anyways, I just thought I'd talk to you about today. So, if we go into our folder, um, and there's a at-home experiment that you're going to do. So, I think you might, let me think about this. Yeah, I'm going to probably just change the order so that you go to this first. So this is just the page that kind of talks about it. It gives you some pictures of what you might find in your kitchen. You're going to try to find a pan, something metal, and something plastic that are about the same size. And you're going to melt ice in them. And you might be surprised at what happens. So it's an activity that we modified that we would normally have done at school. So at least, a couple hands-on things. So I think you'll find it's pretty easy, enjoyable, light day today. So you will, once you've kind of looked at that page, then you go and there's a School G assignment. And in that assignment, it leads you through the procedure, and, you're going to do some observations, and you're going to draw a model and input the picture and things like that. So I don't think it'll be too much of, too big of a day for you today. So I hope you guys are doing well. And if you have any questions, you can email me. You can call me on the Google number. You can text me on Remind. You can ask me and I can do a Google Meet with you. So just know that I'm here for you. Okay, take care.